I think it did. Oh, wait, what's that box there? That was in that drawer?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Here, girl, make yourself neat. And this is how Katrina cleans the cabinet. She pushes everything into the drawer. Oh, we might find $1 million in here.
Isn't it funny how things accumulate?
Another Jesus pin. This is that jack thing you put in the car to listen to the phone, I think.
Oh, you got pictures in there and
Prayer cards.
pens.
Dear God,
Cards.
today as I reflected on what, reflect on tomorrow.
I'm seeing bottom.
All the money I find is mine.
You think there's money in that drawer?
No, I found a blank check.
In one kitchen drawer.
If I could just take it out and dump it, that would have been easier. Ooh, another check. This is from 08.
2008, you think it's still good? How much was it for?
$114.
$114.